Okay, we have another beauty from TobenOne. This is a USB-C docking station. This is the UDS-047. And let's see what we're dealing with inside this box. I actually use TobenOne product myself on the daily. All my docking stations are mostly TobenOne. Of course, I have other ones for different needs and use, which of course makes sense. And this one, right, is actually one I have been waiting for a while now to get my hand, because it's very a beautiful piece. This is the UDS-047 model of this one. And let me pull it out of here and see. Oh yeah, always great in their devices and presentation of them. Take everything out so we all can see here what's going on. Power brick. Is it a GaN plus? Yep, 100 watt GaN plus. So you can do pass-through charge and it will pass through that charge. That's what it does. Look at that. Nice USB-C to C braided aluminum cable, not braided by the way, it's just normal silicone. And here is the star of the show for today. So we have a beautiful piece right here. So we have the host or to the laptop, the ports here by the way. Let me just focus the camera right here. You see, this is the or to the laptop, power delivery, use HDMI 1, HDMI 2, LAN port, USB Type A 3.0, and we have more stuff in the other side. It's never just one thing. We have the LED indicator, we have the combo, that is headphones and microphone together, micro SD card, full SD card, two USB Type A ports, USB 3.0, and the second one is up to 10 gigabit per second, 10 gigabit and 10 gigabit two USB-Cs right here. And the body's full aluminum alloy, rubberized here where the laptop or tablet, depending on your use, will go. Let me see if my normal laptop fits here. I'm just going with this normal nice Dell laptop, and boom, it fits perfect. But usually I think you should put it the other way. Let me take it out real quick. And boom, look at that. It fits like it was born with. So now we're gonna switch the camera angle so I can show you connecting this to the monitors, because that's the bigger port that you can connect your laptop right here on the side and have the two monitors work with it at the same time. So you have a dual monitor just from this tiny little aluminum thingy right here. And I'll teach you something that to make these docking stations that requires to put the laptop. By the way, it doesn't require. This I'm doing too. You don't need to fold the laptop and put it here at all if you don't want to. You can just put the USB from the USB port. Like for example right here. You put the USB port C from here to here. And you can open the laptop itself too. It will work just perfect with the two monitors as well. So let me switch the camera angle so we see the monitors and we'll connect it. Okay, so here we have pretty much everything that we need. Looks a little bit messy, but we're gonna fix that. As I pull the HDMI cords, that will go to this device right here. Well, that's very simple. Just gonna simply plug them. I mean, what else am I gonna do here? Plug the cords. Power right here, which would be going in here at the PD place, and then I'm gonna let these run on the back here so it's just a little bit less messy. And then we get the USB-C. I need to turn on the laptop really quick by the way, but that's a different story. I'm not a big fan of reflective screens by the way at all, but hey, I have what I have right. We'll do with what we can. Okay, just like I told you, you don't need to, for example, close the laptop and put it there if you don't want to. You simply plug in the USB. Let me put it out there so it's not in our way. And put it here so it charges our laptop and it takes the display stuff. Just plugged it right there and give it a second. Boom, just like that. Everything is on and working. And as I told you, you have now 3 different monitors if you include the laptop itself. And let me turn it towards me so I can actually show you something, I guess, at this point. And as you see, I can put one video playing up there. And let me throw another window or monitor real quick, just so you can. They're all functional kind of independently or extended out of this mode. Even though I'm operating from a Linux right here on Windows, it works no problem. And it does work on Linux well. And let me put another window real quick. Look at that right here. Let me do it full screen. Boom. All the cool stuff going on while watching a video. I have now this other monitor that I'm right now. I have it all to myself if I wanna, I don't know, do with it. I don't know what I would, but there's, for example, here. Look, all from this tiny little thing right here. Look, I have the third monitor, just like I told you. You can have these two and this one as well. And yes, you can command them all by moving your cursor to where you need it. Look at that. I mean, isn't that beautiful and easy? It cannot get easier than that. Let me grab some kind of storage device just to plug it in and to show you that, yeah, you can do that at the same time as well. And just as examples, I have a normal USB 3. I'm going to plug it in right here, as you see. And on the screen there, it says that it is recognized. And I'm going to plug one of these SD cards really quick so you can see that too. Boom, just like that. Yep, says right there, SD card detected. Boom. So I would be ready right now to do anything I want. So while these are going on and this going on and all that, let me grab another device. Let me say I want to connect my two here. And let's say you want to connect the, of smartphones. The Note 9, the OG. Let me connect it with another TobenOne USB cable. Yeah, I told you that I use Toben. I'm not joking. And just plug it right there. And it should go really easy. Just like boom. And it's detected right away on the computer. So you can have all your media going on at the same exact time. Look at that. Even me building a chair there, but don't look at that. we don't look at that here. We're just looking the playability. So while this is going on, you are working, you're watching, eating, you're shopping, whatever you want to do. I mean, it's that good of a device, and I still have ports that I can connect here. These are just a few that I put here, but there are still ports left there that you can put on. Yeah, then that's not let's not talk about that. We're not dealing with this one today. But yeah, this is just how it works. That's a really, really beautiful job. And let's say you want to put the laptop. Like I told you, if you're on Windows, you simply go to, for example, to your power settings, and where it says where the lid or power button, what they do, put nothing. So when you pull it like I just did right here, it doesn't shut down your computer. And in that case, the computer is still working, but we can put it right here, and we can put it on the side. Boom. Now you see the cable, but in your case, you would arrange them better. And everything that we have here is functioning. Nothing happened with the laptop. It's still on and going, but you have everything from the on these two monitors instead of the laptop itself, and you can put it here on the side. And so on and so forth. Or if you have a tablet that, for example, USB-C display output, you can do a tablet here exactly the same way. When you want to put it back on how it was, look at that. I'm not going to unplug anything. I'm not going to move anything. I'm simply going to open the laptop. That's all. Has it not interrupt anything? The TobenOne here, care that we did that. It still kept going on and still kept working.